slime with my mom.
Hey.
So this is actually our second time making water slime.
Yeah, we had to practice off camera for you guys so we don't mess up.
Yeah.
I have a feeling we probably still gonna mess up, but
it's fine.
Continue.
Okay, so
we need 1 cup of glue, or is it half a cup of glue? 1 cup of glue.
1 cup.
Okay, so we following an instruction from
Amira, just Amira.
Okay, we following her direction. I think she said 1 cup of glue.
Yeah, no.
We could be wrong, but because we don't remember, we did it like last week or a week or 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks.
We don't remember. So
it was in February 20-something. February 20-something.
Okay, so we got 1 cup of glue,
and we need 3 cups of Pure Life water. It doesn't have to be Pure Life.
All right. Let's clean up the side. See, I don't like to leave like little rests.
Okay. Another cup.
Hold on, put a little bit so we could clean it up. Get the. All right.
Okay. We're not gonna have enough water.
That's 2 cups?
No, yeah, it's 2 cups.
Okay, we're gonna need more.
I still have emergency water down there.
Okay, we just need a little bit to make it a full 3 cups. I know it's a lot of water, and we were surprised too because like that was a lot of water to glue ratio. So
I don't even know what ratio means, guys.
Ratio means portion-ish and stuff. All right, so
I always used to touch it at the bottom because it feels weird.
What are you doing? We gotta mix it.
I know, but it feels so weird.
So we gotta mix it. Keep mixing it.
Mix it?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna mix it with my hands.
We have mixing spoon, but for some reason she wanna use her hands.
Cause it feels nice.
I feel like a mixing spoon will get us faster. Is it okay? You going crazy here?
I be going hard.
Okay.
So we're gonna put 1 tablespoon because I don't remember if she said 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon. So we're just gonna put 1 for now.
Put it until it activates.
Keep mixing.
It's kind of like education mix.
Maybe we need another tablespoon.
No, I don't think we do.
Okay.
Actually, maybe we
We
should.
do.
We don't really. We just have to keep on mixing.
1 tablespoon.
I think we should add 1 more. But small glue.
Alright, so we're gonna fast forward that.
So guys, we just finished adding like almost all of the borax. Because we diluted it with the other ingredient. So we diluted it with ingredients so it's not that strong anymore. So that's why it took longer to activate it.
Okay, but we got it.
It's very unactivated though. Because when we have to get it like more activated because it's gonna melt over time though. Because it's gonna melt over time.
I think so.
Yeah, because that's the same thing with clear slime, guys. If you made a clear slime, comment down below. And sometimes you have to make the clear slime over-activated because from when I made the clear slime, it started to melt. So that's why you have to make it over-activated.
Okay, guys. So I feel like we got there.
But super jiggly. I like it.
We got there after a bunch of adding, mixing, and twirling. But it's, oh my gosh. But it's like rippy though.
Yeah, no, but it's
not
supposed
rippy, but like sticky.
Yes.
It's like boogers.
Ew, well, I don't think about that one.
It has a lot of bubbles, but I feel like the bubbles gonna
rise down,
go away real fast because it's clear.
Because she said, from in the video, she said it was only gonna take 1 hour.
I feel like we probably need to add more activator.
Yes.
Just a tiny bit. Go ahead, because it's still like sticky. All right.
That was a lot.
That was a lot.
But it's fine. It's gonna melt anyway.
So, okay, I think we got it now.
Now
'cause we
we
it's
got the
not
clip.
touching.
I hope I can do ASMR right now. Oh, I want to try to do ASMR. Okay.
I'm just trying to get them out my hands.
I'm just trying to. I love water signs.
All right, let's put it away. Maybe if we let it sit.
My favorite texture of all slimes is not water slime. It's actually fluffy butter slime. And that's actually real texture because you put shaving cream and butter.
All right, so let's store it. Where's your big container? We gotta store this.
My big container.
Yeah, the big flat metal, glass one.
That is still with that other slime.
What other slime?
Remember the other one that we made?
You put in more bubbles into this. All right, guys, so we're gonna store this. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, so this is the one that we first made when we was testing it out.
But
an accident happened and it fell. So it has like particles in hair and dirt and stuff.
I don't even feel like
but
touching
it's
it.
like, it's deactivated, guys. Like, water slime is not it, guys. So let me activate it a little bit.
A little bit.
I'm activating it a little bit because I'm gonna take it out. I took out as much gunk as I can out of it. But yeah,
I'm over here playing with the best slime.
so
But my still favorite texture is fluffy butter slime.
I feel
but I
like
might
this texture,
Because
it's good.
Cause I'm starting to
I guess
like
she's right.
water slime.
Water slime do deactivate
Told ya.
because it was more
That sat for like a month.
not a month.
February.
Just because it's March doesn't mean a month went by yet. We just into the next month, but we did it like towards the end of February.
True.
So it's set for like 2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks. And then when the accident happened,
So I'm gonna put
got
like
hairy.
oh, what's that iridescent color thing?
that thing that doesn't even work.
You don't know that. Maybe if we put it in clear it'll work. Go get them.
Okay, I'll go
All right, guys. So I'm gonna fix this, change the color so all that gunk don't really show. Then we're gonna store this somewhere else.
Well, let me get it. Even though it doesn't even work. That one.
All right, so I cut the tip already. Ooh,
Oh,
wow.
are you supposed to cut the tip?
It looks bloody.
Ugh. I don't like it. I don't really like it. I'm so sorry. I just don't like it. It's
Cause you a traitor.
It spilled on the floor.
Cause you a traitor. This is not something that we're gonna bottle up. We're just keeping it to play with.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna put this. All right, and let's see what happened. Oh my gosh,
What did you do?
that is so
Down.
beautiful.
I'm not touching that slime anymore.
Like it's now you
touch
can't
that
touch
one.
this slime.
I know. Oh my gosh, what is so
That is so
pretty.
beautiful.
Okay, I'm not a traitor anymore.
Dude, yes you are a
I don't
traitor.
want to trade it.
Yes, you are a traitor. This is so beautiful, guys.
I don't know what I was thinking to trade you.
Yeah. This is so pretty.
I don't know what was you thinking to add the thing. Now I don't want to trade it. It's just so pretty. I would love the slime.
You know what? I think I'll make it even more pretty. It may mess it up, but trust the process.
Whoa, Mom,
Purple.
whoa. No.
Trust the process.
No.
Oh, I put too much.
You
Oh my
did.
gosh.
Mama, this looks like kinetic sand, kind of. But I love the color.
Oh, this is so gorgeous.
I don't know why, but every pigment color is so gorgeous. Oh, it's going to take it over, though. Because I tried it on little pieces. It's going to take it over. I have a feeling it's going to take it over. It's just so pretty. Oh, you added so much pigment.
Stop ripping it. You'll make it. Look, it's pretty. It's not really blending much, but I like the fact that it's not blending much. You can still see.
Ew, what was that?
Look at this. And put the light. Let me zoom in a little bit. Look, light's not coming in right.
Ow, oh my
Sorry.
God.
All right, let's zoom in right here. I don't know if you guys could see like the stripe of blue, and I feel like if
Purple.
purple. I feel like if you put blue, it's gonna be nice too.
Wait, do
It's
you
gonna
have
look like
blue?
a galaxy. Yeah, it's gonna look like a galaxy. So,
Oh, guys, if you check out my
but
nails,
let's put some iridescent
blue. Guys, if you check out my nail short, this is probably like the pigment.
Oh, this for your Valentine nails.
No, the.
Okay. What else?
Oh, I want to touch it. Hold on.
Let's put some glitter in here.
This is so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty.
Okay.
How's
So
it gonna? Oh, that looks pretty. I'm gonna try it on a little piece and see if it's gonna. Oh, it's not gonna take cover.
it's not. That's why I like it. It's just gonna
Stay
stay
in there.
in the
Even if
area.
how hard you mix it, the purple is kind of getting mixed in, but it's probably gonna turn into ombre. Did you ever have an ombre slime?
Look at this, guys. Look at this. However that mean go. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Put that in there.
Everybody.
Put that in there. Okay. So
Oh, so jiggly.
Oh, I didn't make that sound.
Oh, so jiggly. Guys, this is so jiggly.
all right. So this is what we have. It's so gorgeous. So freaking gorgeous, guys. So fire. So fire.
Fire,
All right.
fire, fire, fire.
Okay, so that's it. So we fixed this. So now you can't even tell there was particles in here. Can't even
Exactly.
tell there was anything in here. One thing I don't like about water slime is like it's constantly in a deactivated state.
But then, like once you play with it, it's kind of
Like it's like it reminds me of Ubik.
ooh black.
Ubik,
When-
Ubik, Ubik.
Like when you touch it hardly, it's like a solid, but when you touch it like slowly, it's a liquid. See, look,
So all in all,
Solid.
I do not like
liquid.
I do not like this kind of slime at all. So we have these little breast milk containers, courtesy of Vava. She stopped breastfeeding, so she donated these to us for
To us,
for
the slime.
slime. Okay, but how are we gonna put that in there
I
though?
don't even. Well, wait, that's how I wanted to do the others. Maybe like piece by piece, but super ooblicky.
Okay, hold on. Wait, like
Let's just
this.
do it piece by piece.
All right, guys, this is gonna take some time, so we'll do that off camera.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we store this into these breast milk pouches. They actually look like juices and stuff. I feel like they're so cool looking.
Yeah. Like Ashley.
So yeah. So we got some purple breast milk here.
Purple breast milk. Like
Okay.
if your breast milk changed color.
Okay. So now we have this container cleaned out, and we're gonna transfer this into that.
Let's do it.
Maybe we can just
Spin it like that.
drop it like this and see how it goes.
Put your fingers in, catch some bubbles. Good job.
All right, guys. So we got everything in here. We had to stop to the little ASMR
Sure.
short. So this is
Watch
it.
that.
This is how much we have.
Stop.
Oh shoot! I almost spilled it all going like this. This is how much we have. We have. It's almost like 4.
Guys, what I want to call water slime now,
Oh, look, you
gels.
can see my finger.
Guys,
Okay.
guys, what I want to call water slime now, gel slime, because it's kind of like gel. Like, see?
It does look like Eco Gel.
Eco gel. Yeah, I heard that eco gel is like for people in the military. But
Alrighty.
it's like gel.
Okay, so take us out.
So guys, this I gotta get my hands up. This is the end of the video. I hope y'all like it. Like and subscribe. Make sure to turn on your notification bell. And peace. Mostly bye.
Bye. We'll see you next time in the next video.
Gel slime.
Bye. Don't
Hashtag-
forget our breast milk slime.
Hashtag fun slime. Should I hashtag?
All right, bye.
Hashtag fun slime. Hashtag fun slime. Hashtag.